If you're in first year and it started really well for you, but now it's starting to get tough, don't worry. This is what you need to start doing now to get yourself back on track. Now, the first thing to say to you is most people get stuck around that November Christmas exam period because those exams are so different to the ones you would have sat in primary school, and you're feeling like exam pressure. That is normal. So take a deep breath. The November exams and stuff, they're only for Irish and maths. They'll probably use those grades to figure out if you go into like higher or ordinary level. But for the other subjects, it's common. So you don't have to worry what grades you get. What I'd say to most students is, okay, if you're getting like that kind of 30-40% mark in your test so far, then just aim for 50%. If you're getting like 60-70% in your test so far, then aim for 80%. Try and push yourself to an extra level. Next, everyone says, I can't study in first year, I don't know where to start studying. Well, one thing I'd say to you, right? You know the back of your book, say for maths, right? The back of every chapter, there's going to be like a whole pile of revision questions. That is gold. So if I ask you to study sets in the morning, right? You go to the back of that chapter, you see, can you go to 3 or 4 questions, you try them, and wherever you get stuck on that question, just go to wherever it is in that chapter and look over like the example questions. That's how you study. Keep it simple. Just focus on your book. Then everyone asks me, oh, how many hours should I do for studying? Well, just relax a second. It's not how many hours you do for study. It's the consistency of it. So maybe you have a half day on a Wednesday, right? Well, then use that day for studying. Some of you will do a bit extra and study on a Saturday morning. That's brilliant. And if you can keep that consistent, that is fantastic. It's very hard to study on a Monday and Tuesday when you've loads of homework to do, and you don't want to put yourself under too much pressure in first year. It's about balance and it's about consistency. And look, my parting advice in this video is that you will be fine. Even if your maths or Irish test goes AWOL and you're not happy with it, just talk to your teacher, because you can have a bad test, but if they know what you're capable of, they will talk to you and help you get into the higher level class if that's what you want. Remember, like, subscribe, follow, all that. I'm going to help you get through first year and get the grades you're looking for.